Intermodal rail transformed the North American market. It all started with the very first intermodal lane from Los Angeles to Houston, which allowed for the shipping of international containers in greater quantities than was previously possible, along with significantly reduced costs when compared to shipping via trucks. Over the years, the intermodal network grew, spreading across North America. By 2018, intermodal loads totaled 17.5 million, which equates to an estimated $3.5 billion in fuel savings when compared with trucking. In fact, as of 2018, using intermodal rail over trucking resulted in 35% cost savings, a total carbon reduction of 35.5 billion tons, and a decrease of truck travel on highways by approximately 26.4 billion miles. By switching to intermodal rail, North America saves 2 billion gallons of diesel fuel and 21 million metric tons of carbon dioxide every year. The key to realizing these savings lies in using double-stack rail cars, which are 4.4 times more efficient than trucking and 1.5 times more efficient than conventional rail cars. Double-stack rail cars allow for the immediate doubling of cargo, saving 288 million gallons of diesel and 2.9 million metric tons of carbon dioxide per year, compared to conventional rail cars. Greenbrier pioneered the double-stack evolution which made such savings possible. We've built 60% of all double stacks worldwide, having produced over 100,000 wells. Greenbrier's global manufacturing footprint is backed by a century of innovation and commitment. Our unique, integrated business model ensures that our customers get the most out of their investment throughout the life cycle of their wagons. We can help you plan, build, and maintain a rail solution that will help get trucks off your roads, provide cost savings, and modernize your transportation infrastructure. In the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, our partnership with SAR helps meet the objectives of the Vision 2030 National Development Program. The nearly 1,200 tank wagons we built for SAR's service to Saudi Aramco and Ma'aden, the national mining company, help minimize shipping costs and take thousands of trucks off the road. Similar savings and logistical advantages are possible in other sectors as well, like intermodal containers, automobiles, military equipment, plastic pellets, and cement. Whatever the commodity, Greenbrier is positioned to help you as you expand into more markets. For example, Greenbrier's Automax and Multimax are fully enclosed rail cars that enable the safe transport of high volumes of automobiles of all shapes and sizes. Increase efficiency, save money, and transform your economy now and into the future with Greenbrier. Moving what matters.